Hello, good morning everyone. Today we'll start our new lesson, that is chapter 4, hot or cold. In this topic we will learn about weather and climate. Now let's know that what is weather and what is a climate. First we'll learn about weather. Listen children, in simple words, weather is the condition of the atmosphere which remains for a short period or time. It changes day to day and hour to hour. Whereas climate is atmospheric condition remains for a long period of time. Now children will go in details about the weather and climate, and as I told you, the change which takes place in the atmosphere is called weather. Weather is the state of the atmosphere over a short period of time. If the weather pattern of a particular region is recorded and tracked for more than 30 years, it is called the climate of that region. One can say that climate is the long-term pattern of weather in a particular area. Earth is a unique planet, we all know about it. Different parts of the world have different climates. In some regions it is cold and freezing, and in others it is hot and dry. The variety of life that exists on earth is because of the climatic differences that are present in different regions. The same pattern is noticed in animals as well. The variety of animals species found on earth varies according to the climatic conditions. Animals such as polar bears and penguins that are found in the polar regions will not survive in the equatorial regions. Climate also influences the development of cultures and civilizations. People adapt themselves according to the climate of the place they live in. The kind of food we eat, clothes we wear, houses we live in, all are determined by the climate. People living in the hot desert regions do not wear coats. In India, which is an agricultural country, farmers grow different kind of crops. This variety is possible only because of the variation in the climate of the country. There are several differences between weather and climate. Weather is the atmospheric conditions that prevails for a short period, and climate is atmospheric conditions for a long period of time. Weather may change in day while climate may change after a long period of time. The daily life of people is affected by weather, and climate has effects on food habits, transportations, housing, occupation and lifestyle. So children, we have completed today's topic. In the next session we will learn about the factors that affects climate. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned. Goodbye.